All right, so get out your work together, and we're going to do 9-4. So what we're going to need is your work together sheets, and if you turn your books to page 266. Now, once again, you can pause and whatever you need to do, but I'm probably going to go a little fast just so that we can get this done. So October 2nd, first of all, we are petty cash page number 10. I'm sorry, petty cash, I am so sorry. Cash payments journal number 10. First one, October 2nd, wrote a check to Bilton Communications for telephone bill. Well, telephone bill, Bilton Communications, we're going to have October 2nd, utilities expense, $521 for the check number. Move that out of the way so you can see it maybe. $124 in debit, cash, credit. Debits and credits equal each transactions. So if you look in your book, it's not to it says it's to a company, but what you do is you write for any utilities expense. On the 3rd, you wrote a check to the Count of Gray Manufacturing and Company covering purchase invoice number 532 for $1,640 and less 2% discount. So this is going to be where we have an accounts payable account. So you're going to get your calculators out, type $1,640 times 2% to get our trade discount. So 1,640 times 0.02 or 2%. So our discount is going to be $32.80. Okay, so for example, that's what we get to know. Let me try to do something real here really fast so that we can understand what we're doing. All right, so what I did first is we're going to write Gray Manufacturing Company. 3rd, 522. Accounts payable is $1,640. This is how much the original invoice is for. We have a discount of $32.80. I took $1,640 times 2%, and this is my discount. I then must take my original amount minus my discount to get my cash debit of $1,607.20. Once again, debits must equal credits. In this case, they will. This number should not be higher than the accounts payable debit amount because it's a discount. On the 9th, we wrote a check to LPF Manufacturing for merchandise with a list price of $1,575. It is for merchandise. So what it's for is what it is. So number 9 is purchases, because if it says merchandise, you're going to use purchases instead of supplies. On the 9th, we purchased, and this is a general ledger account. I'll just put that to the side. $1,575, $1,575. Once again, debits and credits must equal. Now, if you want to practice and do this on your own and then come check it with this sheet, all power to you. I think that would probably be easier too. On the 12th, we wrote a check to Village Supply for office supplies. So this is office supplies. Once again, office supplies is a general ledger account. So on the 12th, supplies office, $524, $64, and debit, cash credit is $64. On the 16th, we wrote a check on account to Westland Supply covering purchase invoice number 516 for $426. No cash discount was offered. Since there is no cash discount, there will be nothing in here. So this is to a company. Notice that says wrote a check on account. So when you write a check on account, it's to Westland Supply. Accounts payable debit $426, cash credit $426. So no discount. So you're going to have some that have discounts and some that do not. You just have to read. Now, on the 31st, we recorded the replenish of petty cash fund. So that's all it says to you right now. Well, the thing here is we have a petty cash report. So flip all the way to the back. And here's your petty cash report. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to list, and we are actually cash short $1.05. So our cash amount is going to be $154.02. We will list supplies office, supply store, miscellaneous. Here are the numbers we're getting it from. Cash short and over $1.05. These will all be debited. $154.02 will be credited. Once again, we are not using the word petty cash. So let's go back over here to our cash payments journal. Put in the date. We have supplies office, check number 526, supplies store, miscellaneous expense, cash short and over. Since it was short, it is debited. So $48.15, $57.18, $47.64, and $1.05. These all debits add up to this one cash credit of $154.02. Once again, this comes straight from the petty cash report. This is an example of every single one of them that we just learned about in our notes. Hopefully this will help out, and if not, I can go over it tomorrow when I get back to school to make sure you understand it. Okay, cash payments journal, different types of transaction. If it's an accounts payable account, use the vendor name. If it's in general, you just use the account name for general ledger. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you do it on your own.